Mandarin Museum and Historical Society in Jacksonville, Florida, at Walter Jones Historical Park.
That grassy area looks pretty good for trout fishing. Looks like there's a nasty storm coming. Not sure if it's going to come.
Did you see the boat ramp is right there?
Yeah, there's a boat ramp.
A wooden deck here that'll take you out to what looks like a fishing pier all the way at the end.
So this boat ramp is separate from that historical park, but it is gated and they can come and park there if you want to go fishing, or the boat ramp. Then you got these beautiful homes here. Nice big homes with big old long ramps, boat ramps. Takes you out there. And then you can fish off of this guy. And I think you can also bring your canoes or kayaks and set them up. Walter Jones Historical Park. And we also saw some, Kim saw a turtle. I saw a couple of either mullet jumping. There you see some cypress knees sticking out. Let me get you closer. Yeah, see that's a couple of cypress knees right there. We're in Jacksonville, Florida, and this is right off the water, and I believe the Walter family used to provide food, material food for the sailors back in the 1800s. And so this was ideal for them to come by and to load up your ship of certain supplies.
We made the frogs, and he was very clandestine about it, the frogman of Mandarin.
Oh, really?
And he got discovered. And what he did, he has made maybe 16, 17, 18,000 of these over these.
So here's your winery right here. This little shack.
And if you look over to your right, you'll see the area where they would grow the grapes, most likely.
Well, probably.
Yep.
It's in 1892 by Francis, or Frank, Lusco. It's like the blacksmith area. Doghouse. Not the big doghouse. No, that's not a doghouse. Look at 1964. That's a good year. It's nice. Peaceful. So it looks like you can, rent these pavilions. There is frogs all over the place. Out in the woods, different colors, green and blue. So it must be a nice little game that the kids can play to see how many frogs there is throughout. So we're gonna go real quick into the museum here. you open every day?
You know, Wednesday through Saturday.
Wednesday through Saturday, from what time to what time?
Okay, 10 to 4, the museum.
10 to 4, the museum.
And the first Saturday of the month, all the buildings are open from 10 to 2 for free.
10 to 2, the first Saturday of the month. Okay, beautiful.
Divers are here from
Yeah.
10 to noon. They're the original divers that we saw in the video that recovered everything. They'll come and talk and answer questions. And then
Nice.
we have the paint party of the frogs and the turtles, which is 10 to noon the first Saturday of the month. And then we have the first Sunday of the month, Music Under the Oaks. This, the Maple Leaf Tour, this was written by the dentist and one of the divers.
The dentist is the one that
Dr.
started
Keith
the whole
Holland.
expedition clinic to
Dr.
that-
Keith
that
Holland.
was from the Maple Leaf.
And he's here on the first Saturday of the month to answer questions, maybe with 4 or 5 other divers.
You see here, that's the Walter Jones. This was the post office back then. I believe here's some information. And it's only like 2 minutes from where we were. His loving restoration of this 1911 general store and post office is a gift to the city of Mandarin from the Mandarin Museum and Historical Society. So look at that. This was a general store and a post office all combined.